Hello, my name is William Gillette, and I'm here to do an unboxing of this new Napier Backroadz tent. So this is the new Napier Backroadz camo truck tent. This is a Series 19 tent. I'm going to be putting it on a GMC Canyon today, and I have a 6-foot bed. This will also work on short bed or compact beds, and it will also work on a bunch of different model trucks. On their website they actually have a thing where you can go in and put your make and model of your vehicle, and that's going to show you exactly what tent you need. So this one is the 19144. That is for my GMC Canyon with a 6-foot bed. That's what I have here. As you can see, this is actually a camo tent, so it has an awesome camo pattern, which looks great. And see what we get in the box here. So it's got a nice sturdy bag, carrying straps on it. Let's see inside the box. Alright. It's a little thank you note from Napier. Looks like you got some coupons and a way to order some accessories. That's kind of cool. Keep that for later. Alright. So it has some nice straps to keep the tent itself bundled up. The tent. This is going to be the tent poles, and they got them nicely packaged here. That's good. Fiberglass. The ends all have rubber tips on them to keep it from ripping the tent. It's nice. And all the poles are different colors, it looks like. So that's to match probably the instructions, I would imagine, so you can easily find out what pole goes where. This bag that the tent stakes go in is padded. It's really sturdy. That's good. This is the rain fly. So as you can see, the rain fly there, it's got a nice camouflage pattern on it. Looks really good. You have, this must be the loft. So this will go in the top of the tent so you can store your gear up there. Also has a spot here probably for a hook to come through so you can hang a lantern on it if need be. And then the rest is just the tent. Pretty straightforward. Let's get this thing set up.
If you've ever set up a regular tent before, you already know how to set up this Napier truck tent. There are very few differences, and this intuitive design makes it super simple for anybody to accomplish. Unroll the tent in the back of your truck and make sure the door of the tent is facing the tailgate. Next, where the cab of your truck meets the truck bed, you'll find an adjustable strap with a flat metal hook. You simply hook the hook underneath the edge of your truck and then adjust the strap. Remember, you can always come back and readjust these straps, so don't make them super tight right away. You should find 3 of these adjustable straps on each side of the truck bed. Go ahead and connect all 6 of those. Now let's connect the tent to the tailgate. There's 3 straps that go across the back of the tent that connect to this tailgate. I found that it's easiest to lift the gate up at a 45-degree angle and fish the buckle down through between the tailgate and the bed of the truck. The first time I did this, it did seem a little tough, but after I did it a few times, it was super easy. Now these 9 straps basically replace the tent stakes of a normal tent, so they are what's going to be holding this tent down. You want to make sure that they're fastened and secured. Now let's put together the tent poles. Fiberglass poles with metal ends and an elastic shock cord through the middle. You just unfold them and make sure that the ends slide in together. You'll notice in the spot where I'm putting this tent pole, you'll see a black piece of trim around the rod pocket. Now that black piece of trim coincides with the tent pole color to make sure that you're putting the right tent pole in the right spot. I put the 3 poles that make up the roof of the tent in first. Again, notice this green piece of trim where this green pole goes. Now it's time to raise the roof. Carefully insert the pole into the small pocket on the corner of the tent. Then go to the opposite side, and while lifting the tent, bend the pole so it meets the other pocket. Now just do the same for the other pole that crosses it. There's one last pole that goes around the door of the tent, and then a series of clips that help secure the tent to the poles. The rain fly goes over the top and is secured by 6 plastic buckles around the outside.
I hope you've enjoyed this video about the Napier Backroadz Series 19 Camo Tent. If you want more information about this tent, go to napieroutdoors.com and check it out. Get out there and I'll see you on the trail.